Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build a simple napkin holder out of a board and a piece of plywood. I start by planing the board. I continue by cutting the board into two pieces that are 6.5 centimeters wide. Now it's time to cut the length of the 6.5 centimeter wide pieces. I cut 3 pieces to a length of just over 20 centimeters and 2 pieces that are just over 10 centimeters. I continue by cutting one end of all the pieces to a 45-degree angle. Then I set the stop block at 19.5 centimeters and cut the other end of the long pieces. After I cut the pieces, they will be 19.5 centimeters long on the outside and 17.5 centimeters long on the inside. Now I mill a groove on the inside of each piece that is 4 millimeters deep and has the same height as the thickness of the bottom plate I will use. The bottom plate is 12 millimeters thick. Time to cut the bottom plate. I cut the piece of plywood to a size of 18.3 by 18.3 centimeters. I have cut the short pieces to a length of 8 centimeters. Now I'm sanding the upper corners so that the corners are rounded. I've also decided that the top of the pieces should be rounded. The easiest way to do this is to use the router that is mounted in the saw table. Time to glue the 5 pieces together with the bottom plate. The board I used is made of spruce, which has a light and dull color. That's why I decided to stain the napkin holder. I chose a very dark stain that has a tone similar to dark brown and black. I usually choose to paint with epoxy, but this time I choose to use a traditional clear coat. It is of course not as strong as epoxy, but it doesn't have to be. After the napkin holder has received 2 layers of protective varnish, it looks like this.